In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync ClickUp tasks to Google Calendar. If you want your tasks and schedule to stay aligned, this is a really useful setup. By connecting ClickUp to Google Calendar, you can automatically display tasks that have a start date or due date directly on your calendar. That makes it much easier to plan your day and see upcoming work alongside meetings and other events. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace avatar. From there, select Apps and then open the App Center. This is where ClickUp manages integrations and connected tools, so it's the place you'll use to enable the calendar connection. Once you're in the App Center, look for Google Calendar. You can either browse through the available apps or use the search bar to find it more quickly. When you see Google Calendar, select it to open the integration settings. Next, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp to send task information to your Google Calendar so the sync can work properly. Make sure you complete the sign-in process fully, or the integration won't be activated. After your account is connected, find the option labeled Sync Tasks to Calendar. Beside that, click Manage. This area lets you control exactly what gets synced, which is helpful if you only want certain tasks or projects to appear in your calendar. From there, click Add Sync. This creates a new sync setup, and now you'll choose what information should flow from ClickUp into Google Calendar. Select the ClickUp space, folder or list that contains the tasks you want to sync. Then, choose the destination Google Calendar, where those tasks should appear. If you want, you can also apply filters to narrow down which tasks are included. For example, this helps if you only want specific categories of tasks to show up instead of everything in that location. When everything looks right, click Add Sync to confirm. Once the sync is active, tasks that have a start date or due date will appear in your Google Calendar automatically. If a task doesn't include a date, it won't show up, so keep that in mind if something seems to be missing. After setup, it's a good idea to check your Google Calendar right away to confirm the tasks are appearing as expected. That way, you can make adjustments early if needed. Thanks for watching.